If you're searching for the perfect embroidery sewing machine, you've landed in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 embroidery machines that'll take your creative projects to the next level. From beginner-friendly options to professional powerhouses, I've done the research so you don't have to. Check the links in the description box below for current prices and deals. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Brother SE1900. And honestly, this machine delivers serious value for anyone wanting that larger embroidery field without breaking the bank. You're getting a 5 by 7 inch embroidery area that opens up so many design possibilities. The machine packs 138 built-in embroidery designs and 240 sewing stitches, which gives you plenty of creative freedom right out of the box. That 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen makes navigating through designs straightforward, and the automatic needle threader saves you from that frustrating, eye-straining task we all hate. What really stands out is the dual functionality. You're not just getting an embroidery machine, you've got a full-featured sewing machine with 240 stitches at your disposal. The USB port lets you import thousands of custom designs, so you're never limited to what comes preloaded. Here's something to consider though. The screen is slightly smaller than newer models like the SE2000. If you're planning lots of detailed on-screen editing, you might find yourself squinting occasionally. But honestly, for most projects, it's totally fine. The value proposition here is incredible. You're getting that coveted 5 by 7 embroidery field at a fraction of what you'd pay for premium machines. For hobbyists ready to expand beyond 4 by 4 designs, this is your perfect stepping stone. Plus, Brother's reputation for reliability means this machine will serve you for years. At number 4, the Brother SE725 brings something special to the table. It's essentially the SE700 with bonus perks that make it worth your attention. This Walmart exclusive model gives you everything the SE700 offers, plus 50 additional downloadable designs right after purchase. The 4x4 embroidery field is perfect for most home projects. Think custom shirts, baby blankets, and personalized gifts. You're getting 135 built-in embroidery designs, 103 sewing stitches, and 10 fonts, which covers pretty much every beginner to intermediate project you can imagine. The real game changer is that 3.7-inch color touchscreen paired with the Artspera mobile app. You can literally draw designs on your phone and send them straight to your machine. No computers, no USB drives, just pure creative freedom. The wireless software updates mean your machine gets better over time without any hassle. One thing to note, being a Walmart exclusive means it's sometimes harder to find in stock compared to Amazon available models. You might need to wait for restocks or check multiple times, but patience pays off here. What makes this machine shine is the complete beginner-friendly package. The automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin, and 710 stitches per minute speed give you professional results without the learning curve. For someone wanting modern wireless features with reliable Brother quality, the SE725 hits that sweet spot. Landing at number 3, we've got the Brother SE700, and this machine is honestly the ultimate beginner's best friend. For under $600, you're getting features that used to cost twice as much just a few years ago. That 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen is bright, responsive, and makes editing designs feel intuitive, even if you've never touched an embroidery machine before. The 4x4 embroidery area handles about 90% of home embroidery projects, from monogramming towels to creating custom patches and decorating kids' clothes. The Artspera app integration is where this machine really flexes. You can create custom designs using simple drawing tools on your tablet or phone, then wirelessly transfer them straight to the machine. No computer skills required. Plus, with 135 built-in designs and 10 fonts, you'll have plenty to work with before even exploring custom options. Here's the consideration though. That 4x4 hoop size can feel limiting once you start tackling larger projects like jacket backs or big decorative pillar designs. You'll need to split designs or upgrade later if you catch the embroidery bug hard. But here's why thousands of people choose this machine. It removes every barrier to entry. The automatic needle threader works flawlessly, the jam-resistant bobbin saves frustration, and the variable speed control lets you go slow while learning. The SE700 consistently gets rave reviews because it just works reliably project after project. At number 2, the Janome Memory Craft 500E enters as the dedicated embroidery powerhouse. And if you're serious about embroidery, this machine demands your attention. That massive 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery field is the star here. You can embroider entire jacket backs, large quilt blocks, and oversized designs in one hooping. You're getting 4 different hoop sizes included, which gives you flexibility for projects both large and small. The full-color touchscreen offers advanced editing functions, rotate, flip, combine designs, arc text, and so much more. At 860 stitches per minute, this machine flies through designs while maintaining precise, consistent quality. What caught my attention during research was how smoothly it handles thick materials. Whether you're working with denim, canvas, or multiple fabric layers, the Janome pushes through with that consistent professional stitch quality that makes your work look store-bought. Here's what you need to know though. This is embroidery only, no regular sewing functions. If you need a machine that does both, you'll need to keep your regular sewing machine or choose a combo model instead. That's a significant consideration for anyone with limited space or budget. But the value here is undeniable for dedicated embroiderers. You're getting near commercial capabilities at a home user price point. The 160 built-in designs in 6 fonts get you started, and the USB port opens up access to millions of purchased and free designs online. For small business owners doing custom embroidery or serious hobbyists, this machine pays for itself quickly. Taking the top spot, the Brother SE2000 represents the absolute best balance of features, usability, and value in the embroidery machine world today. This newest release from Brother addresses every complaint from previous models and delivers a machine that both beginners and experienced sewists genuinely love. The 5x7 embroidery field gives you room for serious projects without jumping into commercial machine territory. The 3.7-inch touchscreen is larger and more responsive than older models, making design editing actually enjoyable. You're getting over 190 built-in designs, 50 downloadable ones, and 241 sewing stitches. It's basically 2 premium machines in one. The wireless connectivity is where this machine separates itself from the pack. The Artspera app works flawlessly, letting you create and transfer designs without ever touching a computer. The wireless LAN support means you can send designs from your PC directly. No more USB drive shuffling. Here's the honest consideration. At its price point, it's definitely an investment compared to entry-level machines. If you're unsure whether embroidery is your long-term hobby, starting with a cheaper model makes more sense. But if you're committed, buying this first saves you from upgrading later. What makes the SE2000 number one is simple. It doesn't compromise. The embroidery quality rivals machines costing twice as much. The sewing functions are genuinely professional grade. And Brother's legendary reliability means this machine will be creating beautiful projects for years. That wraps up our countdown of the best embroidery machines available right now. Remember to check those description links for current prices and any special deals. Whichever machine you choose, happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next video.